Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple dish, easy to make, and everything is made in one pot in my rice cooker. I'm going to make pot rice in my rice cooker and show you how easy and delicious it is even to cook in just one pot. So let's get started. In my rice cooker, I'm going to add some oil. To this now I'm going to add two cups of basmati rice. To my rice, I'm going to add now roughly sliced carrots, next I'm going to add one boneless chicken breast, this should be about 300 grams. Next I'm going to add some rehydrated mushrooms. I've used straw mushrooms, I've used shiitake mushrooms. So along with the juice and the mushrooms, I'm going to add them. Okay. Let's go ahead and season the rice using a little bit of garlic powder. So I'll put about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, garlic powder, mix it well. And of course 1 teaspoon of all-purpose chicken seasoning. So once you add this chicken seasoning, you do not require to add salt. So 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. To this I'm going to add a little bit of crushed ginger. Okay, I've taken about an inch or so of crushed ginger and I roughly chopped it. Already smelling so good. Next I'm going to take the Chinese cabbage and roughly chop it into bite-sized pieces. So let's add this. And finally I'm going to add my spinach to make it more healthy. Alright, mix it now well. Let's go ahead and add some water now. I've added 2 cups of water. Okay. Just go add a little bit more water. Keep in mind that the vegetables also leave out water, so don't add too much of water. Okay, So as you can see, I just added enough water so that my rice gets soaked inside the water. Have a look, see? Just enough water too. Just about enough water so that my rice is inside the or below the water. Okay. And finally, I'm going to now add a little bit of soy for the color. I'm using dark soy. So 1 teaspoon of dark soy for the color. And as you can see, it has started boiling. Have a look at your rice. All the vegetables have now wilted. Okay, now you'll be able to gauge whether you require more water before you shut the cooker. So as long as the water, or as long as the rice is below the water brim, that means it's okay. I can now shut my cooker and let it cook. So I've put it on the rice setting, which is about 5 minutes. In 5 minutes the rice will be ready. Alright then, see you in 5 minutes. Wow, see how delicious it looks. Before you serve it, cover it with a lid and let the rice rest inside the rice cooker for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you will see the rice is more fluffy and they're drier and easier to handle. So it's been like 10 minutes now that I've given it time to rest. Look, it's now ready to serve. Look how wonderful it looks. So here you go. My rice cooker hot rice is ready. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Also don't forget the bell icon so that you get notification when I post my next recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this.